Let's check the issue. As you can see, macOS is not showing here. Let's enable it. Open your desired browser, copy the link from blog and paste it in your browser. Now download unlocker.zip from Assets section. Now open Downloads folder. Right-click on unlocker.zip file and select Extract All option. Now click on the Extract button. Wait for extracting process. Right-click on the WinInstall.bat file. Now choose Run as administrator. Wait a bit for installing process. It will exit automatically. Let's check again. That's it. Now you can install macOS on your VMware. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.